Google Docs makes it easy to work in multiple languages. In fact, you can translate an entire document into 100 different languages with just a few clicks. Here's how it works. Go to Tools menu and select Translate Document. This will create a copy of your original document in a language you chose. In the dialog box, start by entering the name of the translated version. A good tip is to include the name of the target language in the title for clarity. Next, use the drop-down menu and select the language you want to translate into. Once you've made the selection, click Translate. Google Docs will open the standard document in a new tab. Your original document remains unchanged. This translation is usually accurate enough to understand the content, but keep in mind it may not be perfect. For important or professional documents, it's always best to have a fluent or a native speaker review the translation. Whether your translation from a native language or another language, here's how it works. Thank you for watching.